Hello everybody, welcome back on Plenglish. This is Teacher Lucian Spano. Bienvenue sur Plenglish. C'est Teacher Paula, Lucian Spano. In today's video, I am going to teach you the English alphabet. As you may already know, the English alphabet has 26 letters. 26 letters. Nous gagnons 26 lettres dans alphabet anglais. In today's video, I am going to teach you all the letters in English. As you may see it, we have 26 letters. We have capital letters and we have lowercase letters. Here, this is capital letter and this is lowercase letter. I could say capital letter or uppercase letter. Capital letter or uppercase letter. Lem pa de capital letter ou bien ça nous relait uppercase letter, c'est ça nous relait lettre majuscule. Mais là, pas de lettre minuscule là, nous utilisons lowercase letter. Lowercase letter. Lowercase, capital case or uppercase. Je veux que nous capables de remarquer là, nous avons une série de lettres qui est en rouge. Tout ça qui est en rouge, yo même yo relais en vowels. All of these letters that are written in red are vowels. Tout ça que nous écrivons en rouge, yo c'est voyelle. And the black ones are consonants. Nous dit ça qui en rouge, yo relais yo voyelle. Et puis ça qui en noir, yo nous relais yo consonnes. They are called consonants. So, pay attention to the way I will say each of them, and I hope you can repeat with me. On porte attention avec chaque mbazio et m'espère que n'a répété avec. Let's go. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, J, 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 K, K, L, L, M, M, N, 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 O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. These are the 26 letters of the English alphabet. As you may see it, as I said it before, these letters that are in red are vowels. Okay, Noelio, voyelle. There are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. All right, remember in English we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. 5 vowels, c'est ça nous relève 5 voyelles ou bien 21 consonnes. 21 consonants. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, U. All of these letters are called vowels, and the other ones are called consonants. I say consonants. Vowels, consonants. Vowels, consonants. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the video, and share it to somebody. My name is Eugene, and I hope to see you in the next video.